To get the Education Walkthrough app on your Chromebook, first go to the Google Play Store on your Chromebook. Search for Education Walkthrough. It looks like this. It's a blue app with a clipboard. On your computer, you'll show the option here to install. Click the Install button, and the Education Walkthrough app will automatically install on your Chromebook. Once you have installed it, you can click on this blue button to open. At the top of the screen, you'll notice the option to resize. You can choose the phone size, a wider tablet size, or you can click Resizable and then drag the edges of the screen to the size that you prefer. Using the app on your Chromebook has the advantage of allowing you to open other windows like the Latin Way alongside your app. Once you've reached this screen on your Chromebook, if you need help with how to start an observation, you can watch the other YouTube video linked here with how to start an observation in the app.